I've come away mind blown. Awesome content in every area that I needed. I feel like I've got huge value.
I have now learned strategies that help me connect with people.
My biggest takeaway has got to be the online funneling. I'm now going to be able to push my business a lot further on Facebook.
I'm all the way to Birmingham from London today. It's been absolutely fantastic.
Today's event has been absolutely amazing. Taken a lot from it so far.
Maybe you do a free training video. Very, very engaging. People get to meet you, they come across you, they see your personality, they understand who you are. Here's the thing, everybody is different. You create a feeling inside somebody by what you say.